Howdy, Michael the Mercedes guy here. And the other day I had a young kid over here. I let people work on their own cars here sometimes, and I kind of coach them. And I was off doing something else, and I hear him just banging the heck out of his rear hub. Well, these are set up. You have a bolt going through here that bolts to the half shaft. And he had taken that bolt out, thinking that now he can take the hub off, and he was beating the heck out of this hub. And I asked him, "What the heck are you doing?" "Oh, I'm going to take it off and grease it." Well, you don't want to really be messing with trying to do that if you don't have the right tools, because the way this hub comes off is by undoing a big huge castle nut on this side, and it's pretty involved. So you basically have to take your half shaft out, and then it's way easier just take the A-arm off, so you can get it in a press if you're going to replace the bearings. But you're better off just not trying to re-grease that. It has enough grease from the factory to last for a long time. So, if you're trying to remove your hub, take it to a mechanic who knows what he's doing.